Hi, it's Dr. JJ here with part 2 of our little eye development lesson. The second thing I wanted to talk about today was just normal visual development in kids so that you have a proper expectation of what to do at what stage for your baby, especially in the first 2 years. So in the first month of life, when your baby is just a newborn, you're not going to dangle a lot of books and objects in front of your baby because they could care less. What they want to do is they want to smell you, hear you, and feel you, because basically we just look like fuzzy aliens to them. But we've got to help train their eyes to start focusing on us. So how do we do that? Well, since a baby can't move their eye muscles very well in the first month of life, you want to take your baby gently in your arms, put the crook of your elbows against your waist, and hold the baby about 8 to 10 inches from your face. Then with your arms, you want to move the baby very slowly back and forth. So essentially, you're making your baby a little scanner here to scan your face. And this is very effective in the first month of life, very slowly, to let baby start to capture some of the details of your face. Now, by 2 months of age, a baby held 8 to 15 inches from your face will actually be able to see good detail. They'll be able to see your smile. So in fact, when you smile, they start to smile back. It's a magical moment in parenting, and it's wonderful. But most of what they're seeing is still black and white. So we don't want to put soft pastels in front of them or even colorful things because they aren't really going to matter. What they like are those nice 60s kind of graphics, like stripes and wavy lines and all kinds of geometrics in black and white that will help them focus their attention and start moving their eyes together. And we're training their eye muscles to really work in concert with each other. Now, by 4 months, this is the magical time. This is when babies go from being Dorothy in Kansas, where it's all black and white, to landing in Oz, opening the shutters and seeing at a distance and seeing that sparkling, colorful world that is Oz. All of a sudden they start to take in breath and get very excited and actually just physically get very, very aroused when they see colorful objects at a distance. So this is when you want to surround them with wonderful, beautiful, colorful and interesting objects. Take them for lots of walks so that they can see what's up front and what's over there. And this is the beginning of their wonderful trajectory of great distance vision and precise vision. They can almost count your eyelashes at that point. Now from 6 to 12 months, we've got a baby who can move their eyes together very well, who can see like a raccoon across the room, and who's very interested in what's there. So guess what? That baby now is motivated to get over to point B to get that thing they want because they can see it, and on the way, their little hands and feet are touching the earth. They're trying to figure out their depth perception, how far away it is. And so this hand-eye coordination and their ability to record into their brain just how far away an object is develops wildly between 6 months and actually up to 2 years of age. By the time they're a year of age and they're up on their feet, then they've got good depth perception so that they're not slamming into every single wall or every single table because they can gauge some distances. Now, as they get closer to 2 years of age, they're also very, very involved in what's going on in their world. So they want to imitate things we do. They may grab a crayon, they may grab a pencil, try to scribble. They may grab your spoon, try to feed themselves. So all those things depend on good vision, depth perception, and you stimulating that. So parents, just remember, from the time your kids especially are 2 months of age and beyond, you want to take your kids for walks. You want to narrate what's in their world. You want to point out objects and things that are happening around them, and you want to give them free rein to some space in your house where they can gauge those distances, where they can feed their brain lots of vital information so that when they're older, they're good drivers, they can write well, and they can learn to embrace their world visually. So good luck with this. I hope you find it fascinating, as I always do, because the eyes are the window to the soul, but also they're the window to freedom and other development in children. So enjoy.